good afternoon. Thank you for calling Cafe Delight. This is Eugene speaking. How may I help you?
Good afternoon. I'd like to make a reservation.
Of course, sir. May I know your name, please?
It's Mark Garcia.
Okay, good afternoon, Sir Mark Garcia. Can you please spell out your name, sir, please?
Okay, Markgarcia.
Let me repeat your name, sir. Mama Alpha Romeo Kilo Golf Alpha Romeo Charlie India Alpha. Did I get it correct, sir?
Yes.
May I know when and what time do you want the reservation, sir?
Over 5 at 7 p.m.
Okay, certainly, sir. Will the reservation be under your name?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. How many guests should I prepare the reservation for?
2 person.
Okay, sir. Can you please allow me to put you on hold while I check the availability of your requested date and time?
Sure, no problem.
Thank you for waiting, sir. I'm very happy to inform you that the date and time you requested on October 5 at 7 p.m. is available. Now, sir, may I know your setting preference? We have a lot of options. Would you like indoor, outdoor, smoking or non-smoking area, or
I like indoor, nice walking, near the window, please.
wonderful, sir? May I also know if you are celebrating any special occasion?
Yes, it's a birthday celebration.
That's lovely. Is there any special arrangement would you like us to prepare?
Yes, please prepare a chocolate cupcake and a bouquet.
Perfectly, sir. May I also have your contact number for confirmation?
It's 09300
Let me repeat your contact number, sir. It's 09-300-511531. Did I get it correct, sir?
Yes, it's correct.
Thank you. Just a reminder, sir, we hold the table for 30 minutes after the reserved time. If you expected any delay, kindly let us know to avoid cancellation.
Okay.
Okay, and may I also remind you of our dress code? For gentlemen, smart casual is required, trouser and shirt with sleeves, and for ladies, dress, blouses with skirt, or trousers with blouses are recommended. Sleeveless tops and slippers are not allowed. This ensure a pleasant dining atmosphere for all our guests.
Understood.
Great. To confirm, Mr. Mark Garcia have reserved a table for 2 guests on October 5 at 7 p.m. under your name. The table will be indoor, non-smoking, and near the window. We will prepare a cupcake and a bouquet. Your contact number is 0930511531. Did I get everything correct, sir?
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you very much, Sir Garcia. We look forward to welcome you at the Cafe Delight, turning ordinary dinners into unforgettable nights. Have a pleasant day and goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye. Hello, Beth. Where are you now?
Hello, Mark. Where are you? I'm already here. Hi, Mark.
Birthday!
It's my birthday. Yeah, it's my birthday.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hi, good evening.
Hi! Good evening, ma'am, sir. Welcome to Cafe de Light. Do you have any reservation?
Yeah.
Okay, this way, ma'am, sir.
Thank you. I got it. Thanks, Bestie.
I have a surprise for you.
And what it is?
It's your birthday. Why not?
Really?
Happy birthday to you. This is
No. Oh my god, thank you so much,
Birthday
Mark.
to you.
You're cute, man. Oh my god, thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Have a wish, ma'am.
Yeah.